When it comes to ergonomic and functional work, the Joke Ergo-Work table is the perfect choice. Thanks to the Joke modular principle, you can fully adapt the table and its equipment to your own individual needs. The working height can be adjusted individually and fully electrically. Due to its high load capacity of up to 200 kilograms, it is suitable for processing both small and large components. You can choose from a large number of additional equipment from the Joke portfolio in order to optimize the workplace, such as clamping devices, lamps, and extraction units. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.